Hey guys, this is actually a re-upload. It's late at night in my time zone. And I just want to say I almost got copy striked. Yay. I know. It's because I was playing that one song. Dinosaurs go roar. I'm redoing this video without the sound, so I don't get terminated. Please understand, I am just a kid. I do not mean to infringe any copyright, and I don't know how to go through all that legal crap. If anyone has been able to relate, please comment. I'll happily be able to connect, and please give me some advice if you can. Alright, this is the part where I think this is where I start doing the effects. Example, the speech lines are supposed to be going roar. This is embarrassing. I still feel awful, and this is why I'm making a repost. I'm taking down the original video, and hopefully that resolves my copyright problem. Thank you for watching.